In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a handy trick if you have a PDF document that you need to access frequently without the hassle of entering a password every single time. Before we dive in, it's important to note that this process requires the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat. Unfortunately, the free version doesn't support password removal, so make sure you've got Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed and ready to go. Let's get started. First things first, open up your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this, simply right-click on the file you want to modify, then hover over the Open With option and select Adobe Acrobat from the list of programs. Once the document opens, you'll be prompted to enter the password that currently secures the file. Go ahead and type in the password to unlock the document. This is crucial because we can't move forward with removing the password if the file remains locked. Once you've gained access to the document, your next step is to locate the tools you'll need to remove the password. Head over to the All Tools option, conveniently located in the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a variety of tools at your disposal, so scroll down until you find Protect a PDF. Once you spot it, give it a click. You're getting closer to your goal now. In the Protect PDF menu, look for an option that says Remove Security. This is the key feature we'll use to strip away the password protection from your document. And when you click on Remove Security, a confirmation message will pop up. It will ask if you're certain you want to remove the protection from the document. Confirm your choice by selecting OK. With that simple confirmation, the password protection is now being removed from your PDF. Before you rush off to view your newly unlocked document, remember to save the changes you've just made. Head up to the menu icon in the upper left corner, click on it, and choose Save from the drop-down options. This ensures your modifications are preserved and you won't be greeted by the same password prompt in the future. Once you've saved your changes, go ahead and close the document. To verify the success of this process, simply try reopening the file. This time, you should notice that you're not required to enter a password. Your PDF is now completely unlocked and ready for use without any extra steps. And there you have it. That's how you can easily remove a password from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Follow these steps and you'll have your documents accessible in no time at all. Thanks for watching and happy file editing.